In this video, I am going to show you how to add products to pages on Shopify. So it's very quick. If you go on this list panel and you click on the product option, here we are. Once you click on it, you will find yourself on this page. If you do have your products, an example, on a CSV list or a CSV file, you can simply upload them from that CSV file. You can also import data from another platform if you want to, and you can simply choose the platform from here if you already have a store in another place. For me, I'm just going to add the products manually. So here, I'm just going to add some random informations, like as you can see, nothing here like good. So I'm just going to add maybe this picture, just go and click on it. Yeah, that's done. As a media pricing, I'm just going to put some random number here. And yeah, I'm just going to keep it as it is. Click on save. And let's just see. So just wait for it until it's saved. And of course, so products created. Now, if I go here to the products, I should find a products added. If I go now to my online store here and click on this icon, as you can see, the eye icon, I'll be able to view my store. And if I go to my store, I'll find this is added to the products page right away. So since you add, or once you add the products right away in here, it will be added to the products right away. Of course, you can always go and click on here on preview on online store, and you'll be able to preview it on your online store, like on the specific products. The same will go for any other product that you added. It will be added here as well. I can go and add another one right now to show you, like, so I'm just going to add here some stuff, whatever it is, like media, and let's just go and upload another something here. Example, just upload maybe this, wait for it since it's upload, and simply just go and check it. After that, click on done, and price, yeah, already added, click on save, and I'll have to wait for it until it's saved. And again, it's created, so I can just go now to my products, and here I can click on view store. I'll be able to view it on my store. If I click on my store, I'll see now two products are added, as you can see. So that's it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.